Hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. So if you guys remember, as part of the previous scenarios that we have discussed an example on a post, we were able to hit an API and we were able to insert a record using the post. So for which we used a scenario. As of now, what I'm going to do right now means I just want to convert the same thing using a scenario outline. So I just converted it into a scenario outline. And of course, I am adding my tag, basically post data one is the tag what I am adding. Whenever we are using a scenario outline, it's mandatory for us to pass the examples. So I'm passing name as an input, salary as an input, and age as an input. So the name value, I'm passing Mahesh 1, and the salary value, I'm passing some random data, and age also, I'm passing the random data. So these variables, name, salary, and age, should be replaced with these hard-coded values. So I'm just removing this Ramesh, and I'm passing input as a name. And of course, whatever 1, 2, 3, some value is there, I'm just replacing it with a salary. And at the same time, I'm just replacing this one with age. That's it. So I have just substituted everything. So in the runtime, what it will happen means, whatever the name value will be there is replaced here, and it will continue with the post request. So here, post data one is an API tag name for the scenario. I have given the tag name, and I'm passing that particular tag name as part of a karate options where in which I'm feeding in as a tag name. Let me try to run this script and see what exactly it's being printing down to the console. I'm just maximizing the console and see here, one scenario got a passed and the status for this one is a success. And this is what inserted is. And the message as part of a response that we are seeing it as a successfully record has been added. Perfect. So this is the way how exactly we convert a particular scenario into a scenario outline, where in which the request body, instead of directly passing it as an input, we are converting it into a scenario outline and we are passing the data from a scenario outline examples itself. Like this, we can pass as many sets of data that we want and we can run the script. Automatically, this data will be inserted into the application. Okay, perfect. This is a simple example on a scenario outline, guys. Thank you.